Hello kids! Today we are going to learn the names of geometric shapes. So let us start. Circle. Examples of circle objects are sun and donut. Triangle. Examples of triangle objects are hazard sign and ruler. Square. Examples of square objects are wall clock and carom board. Rectangle. Examples of rectangle objects are door and blackboard. Oval. Examples of oval objects are egg and watermelon. Cone. Examples of cone objects are birthday cap and ice cream cone. Heart. The examples of heart objects are strawberry and leaf.
I hope you all now know the basic geometric shapes and their examples from our daily life. Is it so? Good job! If you want to learn more things with me, then please like my YouTube channel, subscribe it, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.